Hello everyone, Happy New Year! I hope you had a great time during Christmas and New Year. And right now it's time to focus on our resolution. So my first resolution is to stay healthy. Obviously exercise every day and eat healthy. Obviously I write this every year, but I started this year with dry January. I'm not gonna consume any alcohol during this month, and I tried it so many times, even for a longer period, so it's gonna be quite easy for me. But the second thing that I'm gonna try for the first time is to eat only plant-based food for 30 days. Honestly, it's quite a challenge for me, but I was really inspired by this girl. She's a blogger, she has her YouTube channel, and she eats plant-based food for such a long time, and everything what she cooks, it looks very tasty, delicious. And yeah, I just want to have a detox for my organism, clean everything and make it work, so I'm gonna have a better skin and I'm gonna look even better, and I'm gonna be even more healthier and live a long life. But I started yesterday, and actually I had a fish in the morning and today as well. It's quite a transition for me, so I don't want to make it really abrupt because I ate meat every day, so I used to it. But yeah, we will see how it goes. Right now I feel like I don't get enough food because something is missing, but at the same time I stick to all the recipes and high protein products, so it should be enough. But we'll see. I think it's just my organism is like, what are you doing, girl? Please stop and give us meat. But I want to stick to it, and I'm gonna show you everything. So right now we're gonna go to the supermarket and buy all the food for this week. So let's go. So right now I'm gonna make a smoothie, like a snack. It's gonna be almond milk, frozen raspberries and strawberries, one banana, and also I'm gonna add some collagen.
Taking a ride to Jonah Lake. 눈치 보면서 들어가야 할 때 찾아. 나머진 바빠. 개설레임 바꾸는 사람들. 시간만.
So this is what I bought, and it cost me like 200 zloty, so I think it's pretty a lot, but at the same time I got a lot of fruits, a lot of vegetables, so I wanted to make a curry, but I didn't find any curry paste. I'm gonna make this thing with tortilla and some vegetables, or maybe I'm gonna make it as a salad. We'll see.
There is a life I lead in this city, hurrying to cut my teeth. I can take what I need to get by. It doesn't make it easy. The other piece of my heart.
So this is lunch. I hope it's going to be tasty, but looks good. Let's see.
We didn't know that much, and it was a big secret language. Yes. Now it's
So I just came home, I bought some milk. I already tried almond, it was really nice, but also I decided to buy an oat milk, so we're gonna try this. And right now I'm gonna make a dinner. So right now I'm gonna make a dinner. I have something in mind like this. It's going to be a salad with hummus. So the first thing first, I'm gonna bake this stuff. Honestly, I don't even know the name of it, but I'm gonna bake it for a few minutes, and also I'm gonna make some soy sausages. I already have it, like I need to fry it. And that's it, and the salad is going to be ready, so let's do it. So this is my dinner. It's salad with sausage, and actually it's not looking that good because I already mixed it, but I hope it's yummy and let me test it. Okay, as I told you, I want to be healthier this year, so my goal is to have a healthier hair. So I ordered some products for it, and I'm gonna show you everything that I ordered. And yeah, let's go. Honestly, I don't even remember what I ordered, but we'll see. Okay, I can see right now. So I ordered shampoo. I found like this girl on TikTok, and she has just an amazing hair, and she recommended this brand. So I ordered conditioner and also shampoo. The next one, it's an oil for the hair. So before washing hair, I need to use this. Okay, so I really wanted to order a silk pillow, but it was quite expensive, so I ordered this thing for the hair. My hair won't damage. Looking funny, but it's okay. I know what it is. So I ordered a small massager for cleaning my head, so I'm gonna do a better job. I think this is it for the vlogs. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any recipes, any vegan recipes, or anything else to recommend me, please let me know in the comments. Also, if you want to follow my vegan journey, please stay tuned. More content is coming, and I see you next time. Bye!